Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover data from Google Drive with Google Detailed Guide. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Google Drive website. Sign in to your Google account if you aren't already logged in. Once you're in Google Drive, locate the Trash or Bin option on the left sidebar. Click on Trash to see files that you have deleted recently. Look for the file you want to recover from the trash. If you find the file, right-click on it to open a context menu. Select Restore from the options to recover the deleted file. You should see a notification confirming that the file has been restored. Now, go back to your main drive to ensure the file is back in its original location. If the file is not in the trash, you may need to explore other recovery options. Look for the My Drive section and check for any folders where the file might be stored. If you still can't find your file, consider using the Google Drive search bar at the top. Type in the name of the file or keywords related to it and hit Enter. If the file appears in the search results, you can click on it to open or restore it. In cases where the file is not located in any of these places, check if you have shared it with others. Click on the Shared with Me option in the left sidebar to see shared files. If someone else has the file, you can request access or ask them to share it back with you. If your data is still missing, check if you've made any backups on Google Photos or another cloud service. You may also try to remember if you've made a local copy of the file on your device. In some cases, you can reach out to Google support for further assistance on recovery. Be sure to act quickly, as Google Drive may permanently delete files from the trash after 30 days. Keep in mind that recovering older files might not always be possible. Following these steps can help you effectively recover data from Google Drive. Stay organized by regularly backing up important files to avoid future loss. Utilizing Google Drive's version history feature can also help recover previous versions of a document. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.